Can I give like body part? Like what's an appropriate answer here?
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Street Smart with Rachid. I'm your host, Rachid Karim Chatti. We're here today, the world-famous Hollywood Walk of Fame. I'm going to run around and ask some people of LA about their health and wellness, nutrition, stuff like that. If they get 3 right, we'll give them a little bit of a reward. Let's see what these people know about their health and wellness. How you doing there, sir? What's your name?
Tyrone.
Sophia.
My name is Animal.
Sophia, where are you from?
LA.
Long Beach.
Alabama.
Alabama. All right. Man from this Roll Tide. What is the largest organ in the body?
The skin.
Your skin.
That's 2 for 2 now. That's 2 people who've gotten that in a row. All right. How many different scents can the average human nose remember in a lifetime?
Oh, how many can it remember? Not how many can it pick up, how many can it remember? Wow. You've got to be able to remember 10. Wow. I guess 10. I don't know, man. 10. That's random. 10. How many?
It's a little higher than 10, Animal. It's 50,000.
Wow. You can remember 50,000 smells. No shit, no.
Human nose is crazy.
That is insane.
How much, give me a fraction of how much weight your blood makes up of your body weight.
Repeat the question, please.
Has to be a lot because water weight is heavy.
2/3.
A lot less.
Ooh. Look, I say a third.
I would guess 75%. 75% of the earth is water, so let's go with 75%.
How much is your blood?
Go with 75%. That's just the logic behind it. I said pothead friendly, okay?
I like the logic, but it's actually only 1/10.
Seriously.
I thought the same. You'd figure the whole, so much blood.
Like it covers a lot of space. There seems to be a lot of it. And how much do you lose before you die? It's very little that you lose before you die, actually, isn't it?
What is the most active muscle group, whatever, in your body?
Can I give like body part? Like what's an appropriate answer here?
No, dude, these are
answers so I look better.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Like you sore.
And cover my face, I'll look way better.
Is it like the muscles that push food down your stomach?
Ooh, I want to say eyes.
It's your eyes.
Really? Your eyes? Like opening and closing them?
Like your eyes, the muscles that make your eyes look all around all the time.
No way.
Think about how much.
Mind blown. I would never have guessed that.
What has more vitamin C? An orange or a bell pepper?
I want to say orange, but that makes me want to say bell pepper. I say orange because that's where I go for my vitamin C, but I'm going to be wrong. Yeah, go ahead.
I said the same thing, man, but it's bell pepper.
That's not my whole world, man. My whole world is just upside down now.
I'm Sophia. Thank you, Dherbs.
What's up, guys? Hashtag the Hollywood Animal. I'm here with Dherbs. I did really bad at the questions.
I'm here with Dherbs. Dherbs.com, understand that. Long Beach represents, son. Tyrone, baby.
Guys, that concludes the first episode of Street Smart with Rachid. Like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below letting us know how many questions you got right and any other questions you'd like to see me ask the people of Los Angeles. Again, I appreciate you guys watching, and please tune in next week for another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. See you then.